1966 Chevrolet Impala, crate 350, 5-speed, EFI, AC. Let's take it for a test drive. For starters, happy early Thanksgiving to everybody. We always appreciate y'all as customers, appreciate y'all stopping in to watch our content here at the dealership. And today we have a really cool one for you. It is a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. What's different about this Impala is all of the money that's been put in the driveline. For starters, you do have a GM crate 350, runs extremely well. I don't know exactly which one it is because I don't have a receipt for it, but it's probably somewhere in the low to mid 300s for the horsepower. Runs great. It is backed by a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. You have power steering, you have upgraded power 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Factory AC, which has been converted to R134A, and it blows nice and cold. And then the cherry on top is you do have Sniper EFI as well. So just a really cool car with all kinds of good aftermarket add-ons when it comes to the mechanicals. The drivability is fantastic with the 5-speed. You kick it over into 5th gear, you can really cruise at 70, even 75 miles an hour without a worry in the world. The AC is again nice and cold. As far as the interior goes, I believe a lot of the interior to be original. On the seat back, right behind your back, there's a couple little seam splits that have been repaired. The headliner has a few little wrinkle spots in it, but it still is in good shape. It could be tightened up. Carpet's in good shape, floor mats look good. This was a column shift car, so you do have the little piece there on the top of the column where the little initial arm would have been, but that's real minor. Dash is in good shape, has some little warping spots on the dash pad itself, but still in nice condition. And then this one does have an aftermarket stereo. The bezel where it meets the bottom portion, if you can see this in the rear video, the bezel where it meets the bottom portion of the dash pad could be mounted a little bit better. It's got some little shims in there right now, so some little adjustments there. And the bezel itself is kind of older, just kind of a nitpicky thing. You do have all of your gauges on the Sniper screen. Then you have the 3 gauges under the dash, and then your factory speedometer as well. A couple things are not working with the aftermarket stereo. You do have dual power antennas in the back. The one on the driver's side is not going up and down. The passenger side one is up. I'm sure you could probably mess with the system there to make them work a little bit better, but they are there. The cruise control is not doing anything. The washer fluid sprayers are not doing anything. And I believe that was about it. But make sure you check out that additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. It is going to have a screenshot of the doesn't work section, so make sure you check out what works and what doesn't work in there, just in case I forgot something during this video. On the inside of the car, and you might not be able to hear it during this video, but with the aftermarket fuel pump, you can hear the fuel pump in the back. If you don't like that, I'm sure you can change it to a different one, but you do hear the fuel pump while you're driving. We're warmed up good, about 180 degrees, so we'll get in the throttle here. When you do get up into about the 70 or so mile an hour range, you do feel a little bit of the harmonics from the rear end. You kind of feel it in your seat bottom. But still, again, a great car. It's not maybe the slightest little shimmy or like vibration in the seat. Very, very minor. That could very well be a tire balance as well. But overall, driving position is great. Driving feel is great. Good power. The exhaust sounds good. On the underneath, floors are in excellent condition. Frame's in great shape as well. I see no rust issues. Inside the trunk is also very solid. On the exterior, it was originally code F2, which is Marina Blue. I don't know when the repaint was done. That's probably the oldest thing on the car. It's got its nicks, it's got its little imperfections, some smaller spots where you can see down the side, where you can see some little imperfections in the bodywork. But for being a black car, it's got a nice deep shine to it. Miscellaneous stuff. Again, those little stone chips, a couple little hairline cracks over here on the driver's side door. You will see photos of all that stuff in the additional information section, again on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Rear tires are brand new. I believe the front tires are 2020 date code. Rally wheels all the way around. You do have full aftermarket Global West suspension, upper and lower rear tubular control arms, front control arms as well. So great suspension, probably part of the reason why the car drives so nice. Clutch feels good, downshifts through all the gears really well, very easy to find all the gears. The Hurst shifter is nice. I forgot to touch on it, but the bumpers do look good. The door handles are a little bit older. They have some probably haziness, or probably the original ones to the car. Same thing with a lot of the trim. Glass is in nice condition. Windshield's very easy to see out of. Back glass is clean. Side windows roll up and down like they should. You have your crank vent windows, which again open and close properly. With that Global West suspension, the ride quality again is great. Like a lot of old cars, when you get up into that higher speeds, you do pick up a little harmonics. But again, not a complaint at all. This is a great car to hop in and drive out on the highway. You do have that aftermarket sound system, which is cool. The speakers in the back. And just to reiterate, when you're driving this car, you can't really hear it in the video, but you do hear that aftermarket fuel pump. You can change it out for a quieter one if it does bother you. But if you kick your tunes on, you really won't hear it. I love these big body cars. They just drive really nice going down the road. Looks like our factory dash clock is actually working. It is winding. For being a big heavy car, this motor has good power. Feel very confident in the mechanicals. No overheating issues. That aftermarket radiator keeps it nice and cool. The four-wheel disc brakes do stop it well. This is a big heavy car, so even with four-wheel discs, you do have to get into the pedal a little bit if you are coming to a more aggressive stop, but it does work nice. Inside the trunk looks good. You have a nice mat back there. Spatter painted, looks good. Inside the engine compartment is very clean. You do have that GM crate motor. All the plumbing, all the wiring, everything is very sanitary, very clean. The firewall looks good. Charging system's doing its job. Fluids are clean front to back. Again, this is a really good Impala. It's got a ton of money put into the mechanicals. If you want one that's already got all of the Driveline stuff done, from motor, transmission, AC, suspension, all of that good stuff that costs a lot of money to do, this one's already done. The paint, again, is a little bit older. Same thing with the interior. You have your little imperfections cosmetically. But this is a great car to hop in and drive. If you do want to take it to the next level with some of the cosmetics, at some point you can. But still very clean to be, still very presentable to be very proud of when you're going down the road, take it to your local car shows. Something that you could hop in and drive, and again, just a great Impala. Let these truck and trailers go, and then we'll get into the throttle, do a little heavy acceleration. He's turning, so. All right, here we go. We'll get straight, and then we'll get on it. A little second gear chirp. Yeah, really fun to drive. As always, I'm Michael. This is a super kick-ass 1966 Chevrolet Impala with a 350 crate motor, fuel injection, AC, 5-speed, custom suspension. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the content across all of our social platforms. Look at that additional information section on the website, again, pcclassiccars.com, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.